Now it's the time of answer. Be attentive, be careful. Actually, being characteristic or being continuous, it is not the classification of, not the division of energy. It is actually the classification of mode of production. That X-rays which are produced due to deceleration of the incident electron, that are called continuous X-rays or breaking radiations or Bremsstrahlung radiations. Continuous X-rays are that produced due to deceleration of incident electrons, and characteristic X-rays are that which are produced due to inner shell transition in heavy elements. So it is not the division of energy. We cannot say that either continuous X-rays are more energetic or characteristic X-rays are more energetic. I know most of the students think that continuous X-rays are more energetic. Their answer is understandable. I can understand why they think like that, because they think because they see that the most energetic photon, lambda minimum, corresponds to the photon having maximum energy. Most energetic photon is possessed by the continuous spectrum. So they think like that. So they think that continuous X-rays will be more energetic. But look at the graph carefully. Yes, it is true that continuous X-ray contain most energetic electron, but there are continuous X-rays which have less energy than characteristic X-rays. There are continuous X-rays which have more energy than characteristic X-rays. So, if you receive this question, that among the whole spectrum, the most energetic photon corresponds to which spectrum, then your answer should be continuous X-rays. The current question is not that. The current question is that generally which X-rays are more energetic. So look at the graph again. There are some continuous X-rays whose energy is less than the characteristic X-rays, and there are continuous X-rays whose energy is greater than characteristic X-rays. Hence, actually it is the division according to mode of production. Then what is the classification, what is the division on the behalf of energy? On the behalf of energy, there are two types of X-rays, hard X-rays and soft X-rays. Hard X-rays are those whose energy is equal to or greater than 5 to 10 kilo electron volt, and whose energy is less than that, they are soft X-rays. Now, it doesn't matter that whether they are produced by inertial transition or they are produced by deceleration of electron, doesn't matter. Hard X-rays are those whose energy is greater than a certain specific value, whatever the mode of production may be. So, I hope you will be clear.